Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Groupon. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search about Groupon app. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Groupon. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.